What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. I got my first check, guys. Ballin'! No, I'm just playing. But I did get my first YouTube check, and I'm so excited about it. And I'm gonna tell y'all about the process. We're gonna make this video quick, but before we get into the coin, let's get into a winner. So, for those of y'all that don't know, hi, I'm Angelle, and I just did my first giveaway. And today, in a couple seconds, we are announcing the winner. So, let's get a drum roll, please. Ooh, the winner is Angelle Amazing. I'm gonna say your name right. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm so sorry, sis. But it's like Angelle, ANDA _. Amazing. You are the winner, sis, of this lovely, wonderful wig, crimp wig. Gotta love it. And it's $50 gift card. So please DM me, girl. DM me in your address so that I can send you over your wins. And Angelle, I didn't ask. I should have made this a part of the goddamn giveaway rules, but it would be so cool if you did go ahead and repost your winnings and tag me in it. Love you, sis. Thanks. But let's move on into what we came here for, okay? The check. So, I finally got my first. Y'all know I have a very small channel. I have under 2,000 followers.
Actually, the word is subscribers.
And I typically get around anywhere from 1,000 to about 5,000 views a month, which is not a lot. Very small, very micro influencer vibes. But I did get my first check from Google. So what happened was, they didn't even let me know that I had met the threshold. I actually met the threshold 9 months ago. I met the threshold after my video got monetized. I met the threshold the month after. Like, so it took me 2 months to meet the threshold. However, they never notified me about anything. So a month ago, something happened where my videos actually ended up getting, well, not a month ago actually, because it's October now. So I will say in July, my videos got demonetized for whatever reason. And I was wondering what was happening. So in my investigating, I realized that I had a Google check that had built up from about 9 months. And it's not a lot of money, so don't think it's thousands of dollars, because it's not even $1,000. But I'm still excited for all of my growth anyway. But I ended up reaching out, I ended up having to get a pin sent, another pin sent. I got the original pin sent, but something happened and I had to ended up getting another pin. So that took about 4 weeks to get here. And that's essentially what this is. Once you get your pin and you put your account information and your tax information into Google, they're going to go ahead and email you a pin. So then once I put my pin in, everything got re-verified, and I literally got my check like 2 days later. And my very first YouTube check, another drum roll please. Boom! My very first YouTube check was for $302.94. So yeah, I am really excited about that. I know, I gave y'all a very specific number, so I gave y'all the actual number. I might bleep it out. But that was my first YouTube check, and I am very proud of myself and very excited. And look forward to getting a small YouTube check every month. I did take a period this year where I kind of wasn't posting consistently. Like, if you want to make money on YouTube, you have to post consistently. Quality content and consistency are the big two most important things, okay? It doesn't matter, yeah, it's good to have good equipment, it's good to have good lighting, it's good to have all those good things, but the two most important things, if you want to make YouTube your side hustle or something like that, is consistently posting, typically more than once a week. Typically 2 or 3 times a week is ideal for smaller channels that are trying to grow. 2 or 3 times a week, that's ideal. And additionally, you have to put out quality content. Put out things people want to see. Start Googling and kind of seeing what people are talking about. So yeah, that's what you have to do. So in me holding my own self accountable and listening to my own words, I will be posting twice a week from now on, and you might even get a surprise video. Ideally, I will be posting on Tuesday and Thursdays, but every once in a while, depending on how the schedule looks, because y'all know I'm about to PCS out of Japan, it may be more of a Wednesday, Friday, but ideally it will be Tuesday, Thursday. So yeah, that is my first YouTube check. Super excited to get more. And the YouTube check was direct deposit, if I didn't say that, into my account. But typically you get paid on the 20th of the month, I want to say, or roughly around that time. So I think I just got mine as soon as I did because it was backed up. But yeah, and that's all I got for y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life. Congratulations again to Anda Amazing. Make sure you DM me, girl, so I can mail you out your goods. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.